Hi, it's Rachel from Tea and Forget Me Nots. Do you sell painted furniture and want to give some spare paint to your customers after they've bought a piece? So this is what I do for my care parcel. I have a little pouch with an explanation of what it is. So essentially this just describes, because accidents happen, maybe you have a cat that scratches the piece or you bump it on the stairs as you're moving it around the house, so you get just a little bit of extra paint to touch it up yourself. So in the pack I have the colour of the paint, so in this case it's Dixie Belle Black Sands, and I label it so that they can match the paint and find it themselves if they want to. And then also a little bit of sealer so they can match the finish as well. And these paint pots are just from Amazon. And then I also do some care instructions, so how to look after the piece of furniture. This is essentially to just use water and a cloth, maybe soap if you really need to, but no harsh chemicals. And then finally I attach my business card for two reasons. Firstly, so they can contact me if they have any questions or problems, and sometimes I get commission work after they bought a piece of my furniture when they haven't known about me before. So that's everything that goes into my paint care pack with the pieces of furniture that I sell.